Ready to unlock your creative potential? Let's install Adobe Photoshop on your Windows 8 computer. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Adobe Photoshop website. Locate and click the Download Photoshop button. You will need to sign into your Adobe account or create one if you don't already have one. After signing in, you will be prompted to download Adobe Creative Cloud, the platform that manages your Adobe applications. Run the downloaded file to begin the installation of the Creative Cloud desktop app. Once Creative Cloud is installed and running, find Photoshop in the list of available applications and carefully click the Install button. Next to it, a progress bar will appear, showing the download and installation status. Be patient. The installation may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed and computer specifications. During this process, you might be prompted to accept license agreements. Make sure to read them through before accepting and proceeding with the installation. Once the installation is complete, you can find the Photoshop icon on your desktop to launch the program whenever you want. Congratulations! You can open Photoshop and start editing with your new professional photo editor. Finally, launch Photoshop. Inside Photoshop, you can begin by customizing several settings to best suit your preferences by heading to the Preferences setting through the Edit menu. With Photoshop launched, explore its tools and functionalities. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials, and most importantly, have fun creating.